So this is an abandoned water filtration plant in Lumberton, North Carolina. I was just driving by and I saw this building and it looked intriguing. So I stopped by. There's no trespassing signs, and it's right, there's a door I can walk right in on the basement level. Also no graffiti, so this has probably been open to the world for 10 years. I assume this has been closed for 10 or 20 years, and there's almost zero graffiti. Pretty well cleared out. I assume this took its water from the nearby Lumber River, which is right over here. So upstairs there's some empty offices. Nothing really to see up there. Oh, graffiti. First graffiti I found. A little bit of graffiti over here as well. Nothing serious. Only the good die young. Only the good die young. It's my hat. Put it on. Wade through a little bit of water here. And we're out. We're right on a main street in Lumberton. City of Lumberton water filtration plant.